legendary beats.
If I tell you do like this, I'ma show my do like this.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So today I brought you another holiday look, and I was inspired by like the red color, but I wanted to like mix and match a little bit, so I got some red going on, a bit of green. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look and how you can achieve it for any of your holiday parties, then keep on watching. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and of course if you like this video and you want to see more, give it a like and share with all your friends. Tell your mom, your dad, whoever to come subscribe to our channel. And yeah, let's get right into this video. So guys, welcome back to another video. As always, I'm going to be starting with my VDL primer. This is my go-to. Next, I'm going to go ahead and color correct using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit. And this is the color Coral that I'm using. And I'm just putting that on my dark spots just to like even my tone out so that they don't come out too dark underneath my makeup, underneath my foundation. So yeah, I'm doing that, and I normally don't blend it in. I just leave it like that and move on to foundation. Next, for foundation, I'm going to be using my Covergirl Vitalist Elixir foundation in the shade 657, and this is my perfect skin tone, or my perfect tone for my foundation in the winter. As you can tell, it's kind of like it blends well with my skin tone in the winter, because that's when I'm the lightest, I guess. So yeah, I'm just basically applying that with a brush first. I always like to apply with a brush, and then I go in with my beauty blender to make sure that it's more like skin-like, because I feel like this type of brush, I don't have a good foundation brush, and this type of brush kind of leaves streak marks. So I always go with a beauty blender and just kind of blend everything in. And the beauty blender I'm using is from BeautybyBD, and I'm basically just blending everything and making sure I add it on my neck too, to make sure that everything is even. The next thing I'm going to be doing is highlighting, and to do so I'm going to be using the Smashbox Studio Skin concealer in the shade light medium warm golden. I actually got it this time. So yeah, this is the shade that I'm using, and I'm just applying that on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, underneath my eyes, my chin, and underneath where my contour would normally be. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend all of that with my beauty blender. Now, I don't like to apply too much on my forehead because I don't want it to spread too much, and I don't want it to be too harsh. So I normally just add a little bit, and that goes a long way, honestly guys. Moving on, I'm going to be setting those areas I just highlighted, and to do so I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in the shade Blondie. And I love this powder guys, it's amazing to set the areas underneath your face, or just the areas you've highlighted in general. Like, it's an amazing powder if you got the money for it, and I definitely would recommend this powder. Like, go ahead, because it's amazing, guys. So recently, to contour, I've been contouring with just powder contour, and to do so I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and the shade that I just pointed to was Espresso. And yeah, I've just basically used that to contour my cheeks, my jawline, my forehead, and my nose. I normally add it on my, like, right on top of my cheekbone, because the product normally like moves down, so I focus it more on top of my cheekbone, if you see. But yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. I'm just contouring my face because we want to be snatched. Moving on to eyebrows, I'm going to be using the NYX eyebrow pencil in the shade Espresso again. And I'm basically just brushing out my brows first. Then I go ahead and carve out or outline my brows, the shape of my brows. And I normally just go ahead and fill them in once that's done. And once they are filled in, I go ahead and work with the front and just kind of stroke the hair in the front upwards, because I want it to look as natural as possible. So that's what I do. And once that is done, I do go ahead and clean up my eyebrows a little bit. I used to use my concealer, but recently I've been using my foundation, just because I feel like it looks more natural and it doesn't give me that really light halo underneath my brow, because I really don't like that look, honestly. Next, I'm prepping my lids, and to do so I'm using the same Smashbox concealer, and I'm going to be using my sponge, my little sponge by BeautybyBD, just to blend all of that in and let it sit for a while before I move on and actually add eyeshadow. So the first palette I'm going to reach into is the e.l.f. Rose Gold Sunset palette, and I'm going to be using that burnt orange / brownish shade, and I'm just putting that on top of my crease just as a transition color, because I don't want this look to be too harsh. So yeah, I'm using that as a transition color. Still using that e.l.f. Rose Gold palette, I'm going to go into that deeper shade, and I'm going to deepen my crease and my outer eye area, just because I wanted it to be a little darker and give my lid some dimension. So now I'm going to reach into my Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'm going to be using that shade C's, and I'm going to just add that kind of in my crease and bring it into the middle of my eye, but not completely in all over my eyelid. So yeah, I'm just going to keep packing it on, so you see me kind of pat it in, and then I go ahead and blend it in, and I'm just going to do that until I get the desired color that I want. The next color I'm going to reach into is Warning, and I'm just going to add that more into the center and the inner corner of my eyelid, and just pack that on until I get my desired color payoff. and just continue packing it on and making sure everything is well blended and there's no harsh lines. So I wanted to add like a little pop of green, so I'm gonna be using that color Mean and putting that into the inner corner of my eye instead of my normal Carli Bybel, you know, highlighter. I decided to switch it up a little bit, and I think this is very Christmassy, so it's settled but it's still very like holiday Christmassy. Next I'm gonna move on to mascara, and this is my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and I love this mascara, guys. But yeah, I've already added blush and highlighter on my face, and yeah, I'm just basically doing that, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes from BeautybyBD, and I will be using the natural Glam bundle, which will be my first time using. And right now you see me just applying some highlighter on my cheek bone, to my nose and the bridge of my nose and my forehead. So guys, this is the final look. This is my other holiday makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had to do a few parts off camera because my camera cut off, my light cut off, like just everything that could happen was happening to me in this video. But yeah, basically I had to do a few things off camera, so I did go and do a nude lip, just my usual combination, my Anastasia concealer in the color Espresso, I believe, and then I used in the middle my True Matte lipstick by NICKAK New York in the color Santa Fe, and then of course on top of it I topped everything off with the lip gloss that I received from Mink by Princess. And guys, I think it's one of like my fave lip glosses, especially on top of things, because it's like, I guess it's like a bit like it has a little bit of shimmer, so I really like it. It's really nice. But yeah, it's in the color Heaven. Yeah, I think it's Heaven or Heavenly. No, I think it's Heaven. And yeah, basically it's in the color Heaven. I really like it. I topped it on top and it just makes the look perfect. I was gonna go for a red lip, sorry, but I decided against it because I think it goes well with the look. A nude lip. Nude goes with everything and it's my fave, so yeah. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you did, and of course give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us, and we really appreciate all your help and support up to today. And you know, welcome to all our new subscribers. Welcome to the family. We hope you enjoy our videos, and we hope to see you stay. And yeah, basically this is a holiday look. I know there's probably a lot coming this season, but I hope, you know, you'll be inspired by me. And yeah, if you decide to recreate this look, then make sure you tag me on social media because I would really like to see it. And I did forget to mention that I tried the new lashes, which you probably saw me try, but I think I really like these. They're from the Natural Glam bundle. If you want to purchase these lashes, I will leave my coupon or my discount code down below. It's Aisa15, and yeah, they're just from BeautybyBD lashes. And yeah, I really like these. I think they go really well with the look, like amazing. But yeah, anyways guys, let me stop rambling and I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.
It's a maybe Christmas would be. Me get again just talk for your Christmas tree. And New Year's Eve when them a count down, me a count pound. I the pound brown, but those switching a town on my sound.